This is Algebra 1B, Part 1. We're in Unit 3, Polynomials and Factoring. Lesson 4, Multiplying Special Cases. We have two special cases of multiplying binomials that I want to show you because they're going to become important for later on when we start doing things backwards in factoring. Okay? They are the perfect square. So let me explain how that works here. Perfect square. Okay, I want you to notice a pattern here. I'm going to do several problems in quick succession. I'm going to do x plus 2 squared. I'm going to do x plus 3 squared. I'm going to do x plus 4 squared. And I'm going to do x plus 5 squared. Okay, so squared means times itself. So the squared means parentheses times parentheses, x plus 2, x plus 2. So we're going to distribute, just like we learned in the last lesson. Multiply x by x, x by 2, 2 by x, and 2 by 2. And we get, when we do that, x by x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, and 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? And then when we go to regroup, we notice that we have two like terms, 2x and 2x in the middle. 2x and 2x are 4x. So this is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? So that's a little review of multiplying binomials by binomials, but also we're looking for a pattern. So let's do another here and see if we start to notice a pattern. X plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay? Is distribute the x's, distribute the 3's. So x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. So combine the middle terms. 3x plus 3x is 6x. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? Now I'm going to do the next one a little faster here. X plus 4 times x plus 4 is x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 equals x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now I want you to notice what's going on here. Notice the 2. And notice the 4 and the 4. Notice the 3, and notice the 6 and the 9. Notice the 4, notice the 8 and the 16. I want you to see if you can figure out a pattern. Go ahead and pause it and see if you can figure out what's going on. Okay? Now that you've paused it and tried, here's what I see. 4 is 2 plus 2, but this 4 is 2 times 2. This 6 is 3 plus 3. This 9 is 3 times 3. This 8 is 4 plus 4. And this 16 is 4 times 4. Okay, so we've got a pattern that can be used to simplify, to get a result much faster. Okay, so x plus 5, I'm going to do this straight off. X plus 5 is x squared plus 10x plus 25. And how did I do that? 10 is 5 plus 5, and 25 is 5 times 5. And I got the 5 from here. And I put the squared inside the parentheses. Doesn't belong there. Right. Okay, let's try a few more here. So here we go. Let's do x plus 6, quantity squared. Is x squared plus, what is 6 plus 6? 12x. And what is 6 times 6? 36. Okay? X plus 7 squared. X squared plus, what is 7 plus 7? 14. What is 7 times 7? 49. You see how quick that is? Now, if you forget this pattern, you can always expand and use the distribution to do the multiplication. But this perfect square is really kind of important. We're going to come back to this later on. So it is something you want to know. I said there were two patterns. Let's look at the second. Okay, this second is something we call a difference of squares. And it'll become apparent here in a minute why it's called that. Difference of squares. Okay, and I'm going to set up several problems. I'm going to do x plus 2 times x minus 2. I'm going to do x plus 3 times x minus 3. I'm going to do x plus 4 times x minus 4. I'm going to do x plus 5 times x minus 5. Notice the pattern. It's all pluses on one and then minuses on the other. And by the way, the order doesn't matter. If I did x minus 2, x plus 2, the answer would be the same. Okay, let's use distributing. So we're going to multiply x by x and x by negative 2, 2 by x and 2 by negative 2. We get x squared plus 2x minus 2x, right? And actually, it's the other way around the way I've got it written, huh? X squared minus 2x, so the first one, second one, plus 2x minus 4. And now watch what happens. Negative 2x plus 2x. If I have negative 2x's and plus 2x's, I have no x's. So this just is x squared minus 4. Okay? Let's do the other one the same way here, the next one. Distribute the x times x times negative 3, 3 times x, 3 times negative 3. Okay, so we have x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9 equals, combine the two middle terms. Okay, so we have x squared minus 9. Okay, now let's do one more. Let's do one more. I'll do this one fairly quickly. So x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16 equals x squared minus 16. Okay, notice the results. They're always minus. It's always x squared minus. And the result 4 comes from 2 times 2. 9 comes from 3 times 3. 16 comes from 4 times 4. So we can now use this pattern to multiply faster. I notice, hey, this is an x plus 5, x minus 5, so the answer is going to be x squared minus 25, which is 5 times 5. X plus 5 plus 6 times x minus 6 comes out as x squared minus 36, because 6 times 6 is 36. X plus 7 times x minus 7 equals x squared minus 49. Okay, so that's it.